beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lazy. Please subscribe, share and thumbs me up if this video helps you in any way. I love you all so much. So the look by my right was gotten from Instagram. I do hope that you enjoyed this look, and do not fail to thumbs me up, subscribe and share if this video helps you in any way. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, please do that. They are really going to help you to know how to tie any form of trending gele right now. Thank you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele, and then I made about 5 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So you have to make sure that your pleats are well laid so that your gele really looks beautiful and nicely done. So the rule for this particular gele is 60-40. One hand of the gele has to really be longer than the other hand of the gele. So the next step I took was to twist my gele. I'm just going to twist both sides of my gele. So you have to put one hand of the gele underneath the other hand and take the other hand towards the back and pin it. And make sure you pin properly so that you're sure that your gele is secured and it doesn't unravel. So the other hand I pinned backwards was the 40 part of my gele, and then the one I'm holding right now is the 60 part of my gele. I'm just going to take this 60 part of my gele and form a bow in front. I'm just going to form a big rose, or you can call it a bow too. I'm just going to form that in front and make sure that it stands properly. Guys, if you haven't watched my previous videos, please do that. They are really going to help you to know how to tie any form of trending gele at all. So right now I'm just going to pin the bow in front so that it doesn't unravel when I'm trying to dance for any occasion at all. I love this gele so much because you can rock it to any party and weddings, anything at all that you want to go for. So guys, this is the final look. I do hope that you love this video, and here is what the back of the gele looks like. This is a closed gele and that's why it looks like this. I love you all so much. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I want to see you all in the comment section, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Please subscribe and share. I love you all so much. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.